Hi, today is day 5 and today's learning will be how to make delivery of services or products, how to show a delivery of service or product. So let's say we have a team which makes a service and then it's delivered to the customer. So let's draw a team who is making some services. So let's say this is our team. And to show a team, always encircle them. So this could be your, let's say, software team. And these people are very happy because they delivered it, and they are super happy because they delivered it. And to show them a team, you can also make something like this. He might be the product manager. And now the delivery can be shown as in a very typical format. Draw assembly line here with some rollers and draw your product. Whenever you are drawing a product or a service, always try to show it as a box of gift. This is typical depiction of how you show your product. And the best packaging would be in red color. Yeah. And how will you show your customer? We already know how to make a customer. A customer is always king. A little too big. Customer is always king and he is happy. Always draw your eyes and the details of mouth by a thin pen, and then again switching back to a thin one here, and put his hand here. And it is being delivered to the customer. Or you can also do one thing here. Let's be a little more creative. I'm deleting his hand from here. Let's try to make it as if he is grabbing the item. So it's almost like yeah. So he is a customer, and the crown can always be red in color. And let's give a bit of shade as well to add a 3D effect to this gift, to the assembly line. Everyone. So this was a team of software developers who are giving their service delivery to the customer. So this is how you can show delivery of services and products. I will wait for you for day 6. Bye bye.